Good morning everyone. Today I am going to present the brand analysis of BYD, one of the fast growing electric vehicle companies in the world. Second slide, introduction and overview. BYD is a Chinese company of the focus on electric vehicle and clean energy. It produces electric cars and batteries. The main goal is eco-friendly and cost-effective transportation. The next slide, mission purpose. BYD stands for Build Your Dreams. The company's mission is to create a sustainable future. They focus on reducing carbon emission and promoting green energy. Next slide, founder and origin. BYD was founded in 1995 by Van Fu. At first, it was a battery manufacturing company. Later, it expanded into the automobile industry in global market. Asia, Europe වගේ regions වලට expand වෙලා තියෙනවා. So customers can access their product worldwide. Promotion. BYD focus on sustainability and innovation in their marketing. They promote eco-friendly lifestyle pickup. This creating a strong brand image. Growth story. In 2003, BYD entered the automobile market. Today, it is global leader in electric vehicle. It competes with companies like Tesla. Next slide, revenue. BYD earns over $18 billion in annual revenue. This shows strong and rapid growth. The demand for electric vehicles increases worldwide. Next slide, target market. BYD main target middle and upper income customers. It also focuses on environmental conscious customers. The company is expanding into the global market. Next slide, customer value. BYD offers a electric vehicle. It uses advanced battery technology. Next slide, variance. The brand creates value through innovation and sustainability. Next slide, marketing initial BYD car. In the past, BYD faced some challenges. These include battery safety, consumer and quality issues. This affected customer trust. Marketing mix 4 Ps. BYD focus on sustainability and innovation. It positions itself as a food-ready brand. This attracts modern and eco-consumer customers. Marketing mix 4 Ps. Now I am going to talk about the marketing mix of BYD, also known as the 4 Ps. First, product. BYD offers electric cars, buys and advertising batteries. මේවා eco-friendly සහ innovation product. Second, price. BYD use a competitive strategy. ඒ කියන්නේ Tesla වගේ brand වලට affordable price එකක් දෙනවා. This help attract more customers. BYD is a fast-growing electric vehicle brand. It has strong future protection and it is become a global leader in sustainable transportation. References BYD. These are the scores I use for my research. Thank you for your listening.